was just want to tell you that this video is for reference purpose only. The questions in this video or in this slides or PPT presentation might not actually come in the exam, but this is for reference purpose for you to prepare well for the exams. So starting this video, guys, before starting, please do like the video and also subscribe to our channel, which is really important so that we will try to bring more and more videos for you guys. So now coming to this electrical machines one, important topics for semester end exams. So let's us start with this syllabus. So first unit, you can see it is really lengthy, where you have two different things. One is DC generators and also armature reactions, and how to the excitation methods of the DC generators. And in second unit you have DC motors. Third, you have testing of DC machines. Fourth, you have single phase transformers, and fifth, you have testing of transformers and polyphase transformers. So the first three units is based on DC, and second two units again, like fourth and fifth unit, are based on AC. So how you are going to prepare for this exams and important tips to pass? So you can do this. Prepare three chapters perfectly, as we say in our every video that prepare three chapters perfectly. Three chapters perfectly in the sense, if any question arises from the topic you are preparing or the unit you are preparing, then you should be able to write. Then only you will pass. It's not like that. Okay, you are preparing one two questions only from three chapters, then it will not work. So again, I'm telling in this video, as I said in last videos as well, focus on short questions. These are like most important short questions. You might seen a little like not that important, but these cover 10 marks, and if you give an attempt and healthy attempt to these short questions, you'll get 4 and 5 marks. So also please let me know in the comments that what subject should I do next, so that it will help you in the exams, and surely I will bring up videos of important topics and important questions for you. And also please comment in the comment section regarding feedback of this video, that how we can improve, and definitely I'll work on that thing. So in this electrical machines, focus on diagrams and side headings. Dot the diagrams with pencil and side heading with the black pen. So this is the most important thing. Don't use only single pen. Use multiple pens to highlight the thing, so that the one who is correcting your paper should understand what is what. So if you are preparing for the exams, then you can just prepare it like this. First you go with fourth unit, then third unit, then second unit, then fifth unit, and last one unit, because the first unit is really lengthy and it will take a little time for you to understand the things in the first unit. Compared to fourth unit is literally easy, and you can score marks in fourth, third, and second unit compared to fifth and first unit. Okay, so this is the, well, again, follow this while you start your preparation. Now coming to the important topics. Important topics for unit 1 would be lap winding and wave winding. So you can expect a problem from this, and even if you don't expect the problem from it, then there might be a chance that you will get a theory in somewhere how. And again, you have EMF equation of a DC generator. That would be a theory, and a little equations you need to write. So that will be a little difficult. And first unit is really tough. So a question related to AT per pole, and critical field resistance, and self-excited and separately excited DC generators. So these are the excitation methods. One is self and one is separately excited DC meter, and we'll see the important questions in the next slide. So here, important questions in the unit 1. So what are the important questions? Basic principles of DC generator. So if theory part is given, then these would be the, definitely one might come in the exam. I am expecting that EMF with DC generator might come, or else the principle of operation of DC generator might come. So we can just check with these questions, and if you want more questions, you can download the exam update app, which is in the Play Store, and so you can get the detailed questions of yeah, this subject, and also we have gathered so many important questions of various subjects there. You can just check it out. So coming to the topics of Unit 2. Unit 2, as we discussed, then principal EMF of DC motor. Here you have in the first unit DC generator. In this you have DC motor, and torque equation of DC motor. So 3-point starter and a 4-point starter. 3-point and 4-point starters are most important things here in this unit, because 3-point starter you can expect one question from here only. And you will have a problem on calculation of efficiency, and if you don't get the problem of efficiency, you will get a problem of full load torque and half load torque. Okay, So methods of speed control. So if you get into this important questions, this will be like this, and you will get various things from here. And with need sketch, as I said, sketches are important, diagrams are important. They might ask a diagram of 3-point starter or 4-point starter. So 4-point starter would be easy compared to a 3-point starter. So you can just check with this, and if you think I'm going a little fast, you can just pause the video and take a screenshot. And going to the unit 3, and basically these are just tests which are performed on DC motor. So here you have Simmons test, Hopkinson's test, and brake test, and practice a problem on each test. For example, if you are good with problems, then practice with one. I mean, in this unit, there are chances that you will get one theory question and one problem question. For example, if you got a Swinburne's test in theory part in A bit, in B bit you might get Hopkinson's or brake test problem. In A bit, if you get Hopkinson's test theory, then you might get brake test or Swinburne's test problem. So it will be like this. And important questions for unit 3. What are the important questions? So you can just note it down. So same thing. Again, what are the methods, efficiency with the brake test? What are the methods for the brake test? There are basically three methods: Hopkinson's test, this test, that test, Simmons test, etc. So you can just have a look on that, and we'll discuss the previous question paper in the last segment. And these are the important questions. So again, coming into the important four, this is the most easiest unit you have in this whole electrical machines. So various losses in the transformers, basically there are three or two or three losses in this: hysteresis loss, eddy current losses, so iron losses. So these are this. You can also answer it like constant losses or variable losses. And you also EMF equation, all day efficiency. So what are these? Learn more about EMF equation of a transformer and all day efficiency. So you can learn this. So now again, what are the important questions? You can just check with this important questions. So as I said, what are the various losses taking place in the transformer? How these losses can be minimized? So what are the minimization methods? So you get the you might, I mean, like question might be asked like this. So external construction diagram of single phase transformer. So like this, these are the questions. And how leading and lagging power factor load, PF load in the sense. And coming to the unit 5, these are the tests performed on the transformer, just like a tests which are performed on DC generator. So here, short circuit test, open circuit test, which is known as SC and OC test, auto transformer working, Sumner's test on working, and Scott connections. So these will be the important question. So you can just see this Sumner test, Scott connection, star delta, auto transformer, and all this you will get. So you can just take a screenshot of this. And if you want more questions, you can just try Exam Update app, which is available on Play Store, which is absolutely free to use. So now coming up to the last topic. So this question paper is from R18, guys. So avoid this 2 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks. You'll get 1 mark. And questions will be much simpler than this. Just will be one line or two line questions. So you can just answer it and get a half mark if you are attempting it good. You might get half mark or 1 mark depending upon your answer. So that would reduce your methods for, I mean, like marks for passing, so that it will be easy for you to pass. So see again here 2A, 2B. Again, third one is just a critical speed or critical field resistance, as we discussed in the uh, slides before in this video. And principal operation of DC motor starter. See, I said that 3-point starter or 4-point starter is important. Then we can see here we have 3-point starter. Then what are the how brake test, merits and demerits of Hopkins says. So this pattern is a little simple and a easy paper. But if there is a hard paper, then there you will get problems in each and every question. So you need to get prepared for that. So here again, eddy current losses and hysteresis losses of the transformer, one theory and one problem. Again, so fundamentals and obtain equivalent circuit of a single phase transformer. So sometimes they may ask you about equivalent circuit, sometimes they might ask you about EMF equation. Okay, and you have a problem regarding Scott connection, and you have the star 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 delta delta delta. How these problems work, you need to understand. So if you can understand and prepare well like this, so that will be easy for you guys to pass in this exam. This is not at all a hard subject, but you can just depend on theory, and also you can pass for this exam. So all the best, guys, for your exam. Please do subscribe to our channel and also like this video, so that we can bring more and more videos for you guys. So I'm really working hard for you guys, and please show the support by liking the video and also subscribing to our channel. And all the best for your exam, guys. Bye, take care.